Understanding storm clouds gather, a deep dive into imagery and meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, storm clouds gather. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, making it a perfect example of how English uses natural elements to convey deeper sentiments and situations. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Stay tuned. First off, let's break down the phrase, storm clouds gather, to its literal components. Storm clouds are dark, heavy clouds that indicate a storm is approaching. When we say these clouds are gathering, it means they are coming together or accumulating in the sky, signifying that the weather is about to change, typically for the worse. This visual gives us a clear picture. A once calm and clear sky now overshadowed by looming, dark clouds, suggesting an imminent storm. Moving beyond the literal, storm clouds gather, is often used metaphorically. In this sense, it represents a situation where trouble, tension, or conflict is brewing or on the horizon. Just as gathering storm clouds signal a forthcoming storm, this phrase signifies that difficulties or challenges are approaching in life, a relationship, a project, etc. It's a powerful way to describe a sense of unease or anticipation of trouble without explicitly stating it. To help you better understand, let's look at a few examples. In a work environment, with the auditors finding discrepancies in the accounts, storm clouds gather over the finance department. In personal relationships, after the argument at dinner, you could feel storm clouds gathering between them. In global affairs, as tensions rise between the countries, storm clouds gather on the horizon, hinting at possible conflict. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied to various situations to convey a sense of impending trouble or tension. Now that you understand what it means and how it's used, incorporating storm clouds gather into your language can add depth and vividness to your expressions. Here are a few tips. Use it to describe situations where you sense upcoming trouble or tension. It works well in both formal and informal contexts but is particularly effective in storytelling or descriptive writing. Be mindful of the tone it sets. Using this phrase can introduce a somber or ominous mood to the conversation or narrative. We hope this exploration of storm clouds gather has illuminated a new way for you to express anticipation of trouble or tension in English. It's a testament to the language's beauty, showing how natural phenomena can be woven into our expressions to convey deeper meanings. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.